What do you see happening when the Indians do hit time, General?
Well, actually, we'll fight it out.
Is there a real possibility of street-by-street fighting?
Inshallah, we'll keep them away.
Because the feeling is that you don't have enough men here in the town to put up a big fight.
Makes no difference. I never show my men.
Will you make any attempt at a conditional surrender?
No, sir. The question is either we live or we die.
But some attempt has already been made in the past few days to come to some form of agreement.
No, well, when I heard that, I told them what I felt about them.
Which was?
Well, that's between him and us. We stay here dead or alive. We fight it out to the last.
But a lot of men might die.
This is the price of the freedom.
But what freedom? Not yours.
It's mine. Yes, my country, Pakistan's.
You still consider that you stand a fighting chance
Pakistan will stay. Yes, inshallah, will stay.
You're not being...
Pakistan! Pakistan!